Why so? You said you wanted fuller eyebrows.
Oh, this is great.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky, little Einstein.
Guys, so today I kind of have something a bit different because I shot a video a year ago with my sister and then I was editing it and I couldn't find a video and blah blah blah, long story, but anyway, I just found the video, so enjoy. Hi everyone, today we'll be having our makeup professionally done by my niece, aka my sister's daughter. We are both very good at makeup. That's not true. So we thought we would have it done by someone who knows even less.
Or better. We'll find out now. We'll find out today. Welke wil je gebruiken? Het zou heel grappig zijn als we dan niks ging doen. Al die moeite. Today we're gonna do our own makeup. Welke dan? Welke kleur? Welke vind je mooi?
Die zijn wel mooi.
Ja, die zou ik doen inderdaad.
Die zijn mooi.
Ja. It's a nice color. And mama? I wish you could show everyone her face and her tongue. Oh! Oh! Mooi? Ja. No. Okay. Very nice. Yours is mine looks a lot better. What is this? Oh. It's for your eyebrow. Yep. Oh boy. Oh boy, so. You said you wanted fuller eyebrows.
Oh, this is great. Why me? Oh, Mama Sifa?
I don't need it.
She only picks the pretty stuff for you.
Oh, a little bit of pink. Ooh, I hear someone else come upstairs. Hey, this is David.
Hello, that's David. Are you gonna help?
Doe maar.
Voor Mama Sifa?
The difference is so funny. Oh, there you go.
Zijn smiley op jou.
She does a really good job. She just got the
Ik
bigger
heb
one.
ook in deze. Wil je het even?
Yeah.
Deze van je wangen.
Yeah, not bad.
Misschien.
Some shine.
Kijk dan eens.
She just gave me highlight.
Wimpers. Wimpers.
I don't think it means what you think it means.
Net.
Wie heeft dat gedaan?
Deze. Was.
A little bit of a smoky eye.
Yeah.
Blend it. Yep. There you go.
naar mama.
Is het mooi?
Nee.
Mooi?
Ja.
Oh. En die andere dan?
We got a nice little red lip to really...
A little?
And also above it. We call it kind of the coal mining look.
Yeah. How about my eyebrows, huh?
We don't even want thick, we want thin, thick.
Yeah.
Mine is very subtle.
This is the subtle version of that.
That was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to actually like it and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now David is not here, so we'll do the Dutch words for the day next week. Alright, bye. This little video is out. Oh, nu zijn onze hoofden wel een beetje...
Een beetje laag.
Nee, ja, of ik doe de camera.